Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. In today's video here for Ethereum, we're trading at $1,427. 24-hour volume here, we are down 38%, and market cap, we are down 4.95%. So heading over to our chart here, starting on our weekly chart here, you guys, we have retraced down to an area of support that we covered in yesterday's video, roughly around the 1421. We've seen June 6th. We've seen August 22nd and August 29th retracing down to this area of support. And as we see, the RSI itself is at 46% and 34% price for the weekly chart can essentially come up. However, if we take a look at the weekly, we only have today and tomorrow essentially itself to hopefully come back up. If not, then we are most likely going to be closing down to this area of support and retracing down here to the next area of support at $1,015 here. So not looking too good for Ethereum, especially with this week here closing to the end of the week. This engulfing candlestick itself and lightness in the MACD indicator. Again, with the MACD indicator, as we can see, we are well below the 0% here. So again, we do want to come back up and hopefully come and stride above the 0% itself. So heading over to our 1 day, you guys, as we can see, more refined in our days as the area of support right now is hopefully going to hold. We do see the RSI here at 9% and 12%. So essentially we're hoping to catch ourselves at this area and be considered to be oversold here. And normally when we're oversold, it's an area for price to hold and come back up. As we can see in these two bars for our MACD indicator, which measures movement here, we are very, very heavy and when it comes to the sellers itself. So be careful for the next retracement that we have on our fib at 61% at 1397 here. So if we are going to be breaking this and we see the RSI move closer down to 0%, then we can anticipate the price to come down to the 1397 here. So heading over to the 2-hour chart, you guys, I am going to be zooming out again to see if there is any areas of support for today. But essentially here again is our next retracement at 1388. As soon as we zoom out closer, we can see we have already broken this area of support at 1439, 1440. And if we take a look again for an area of support, it is retracing down to our next level of our fib chart, essentially at the 1388. As we can see with the RSI reacting and the MACD indicator, we can see this pinch that's occurring at our K line and our D line right here, essentially saying that there may be a sell opportunity. And it is quite alarming because we weren't considered to be overbought, only at 67%. Normally overbought means above this blue line, which is 80% here. So we are getting lower and lower with our RSI numbers. Again, in this bear market, we are getting further away from our 20 MA, which ideally we do want to come up and retest as a resistance line. So at the time right now, you guys, we are playing kind of a defense mode when for our areas of support, we do want to ideally come right here and hold the support at 1413, or we may actually drop down closer to that 1300 range. If we take a look at the MACD indicator here, it is getting smaller in the bars, which is a good sign too. As soon as it gets smaller in the bars, we do see the lines coming together and anticipate they're going to cross over and switch the color from red to green. And hopefully that will help us hold the support here. However, again, be prepared for today for some pullbacks for Ethereum because we are seeing it in our MACD indicator and we're also seeing it in the RSI. Also, those engulfing candles in the red is still not helping us either. So that's my video update for today, you guys. I hope you guys stay safe, make smart choices for your trades today, and I'll see you next time. Bye.